Ever felt like you're staring at a mountain of online selling potential, but all you've got is a tiny pickaxe? Like you know there's gold in e-commerce, but you're just digging in the wrong place? I mean, seriously, how many times have you scrolled through endless supplier lists, feeling like you're wading through a swamp of questionable dropshippers and inflated prices? You're not alone. We've all been there. And that's exactly why SaleHoo pops up in so many searches, right? SaleHoo, your key to unlocking profitable online sales. They promise it all: verified suppliers, market research, training, the whole shebang. But here's the burning question, the one we're all itching to know. Is it actually worth it? Or is it just another shiny tool promising the world but delivering a rusty spoon? Transition to a slightly more analytical tone. Visuals shift to screen recordings and graphics. Let's be real, the online selling landscape is a minefield. You've got the allure of passive income, the freedom of being your own boss, and the thrill of building a brand. But then reality hits. You need to find reliable suppliers, you need to understand product trends, you need to navigate the complexities of shipping and customer service. And that's where services like SaleHoo step in, promising to simplify the process. But does it deliver on that promise? To answer that, we need to dive deep, dissecting what SaleHoo actually offers and whether it justifies the cost. First off, let's talk about the core of SaleHoo, the supplier directory. They boast thousands of verified suppliers, catering to a wide range of niches. And that's a crucial point, verified. Anyone who's ever tried sourcing from random websites knows the risk of dealing with scammers or unreliable vendors. SaleHoo claims to do the legwork, vetting suppliers to ensure they're legitimate and reputable. This, in theory, saves you countless hours of research and potential headaches. But let's look closer. What does verified actually mean? Are we talking basic checks or a thorough vetting process? Does it guarantee quality products and consistent shipping? These are the questions we need to answer. Show examples of the SaleHoo interface, highlighting supplier details and ratings. The directory provides details like contact information, product ranges, and shipping options. They also have a rating system, allowing you to gauge the supplier's reliability based on other users' experiences. This is a valuable feature, but remember, ratings are subjective. What works for one seller might not work for another. It's essential to do your own due diligence, even with verified suppliers. Contact them directly, ask questions, and request samples before placing large orders. Don't rely solely on the directory's information. Use it as a starting point, not the final word. Now, let's move on to another key feature, market research. SaleHoo offers tools to help you identify trending products and understand market demand. This is crucial for success in e-commerce. You can't just sell whatever you like, you need to sell what people want. SaleHoo's market research tools provide data on product popularity, competition, and potential profit margins. This can be incredibly helpful for beginners who are unsure where to start. However, it's important to remember that market trends are constantly changing. What's hot today might be cold tomorrow. You need to stay vigilant and adapt your strategy accordingly. Don't just blindly follow the data. Use it as a guide, but also trust your own intuition and market observation. Visuals show examples of SaleHoo's market research tools, graphs, and trending product data. Another aspect of SaleHoo that often gets highlighted is their training and support. They offer a range of resources, including guides, videos, and a community forum. This can be invaluable for beginners who are new to the world of online selling. They provide step-by-step instructions on setting up your online store, finding products, and marketing your business. But let's be honest, you can find a lot of this information for free online. So the question is, does SaleHoo's training offer anything unique? Does it provide insights that you can't find elsewhere? This is where the value proposition becomes a bit more nuanced. The key advantage here is the structured approach and the curated information. Instead of sifting through countless blog posts and YouTube videos, you have everything in one place, organized and easy to access. This can save you time and prevent you from getting overwhelmed. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the cost. SaleHoo is a paid service, and that's a significant factor to consider. Is the price tag justified by the value it provides? This depends entirely on your individual needs and circumstances. If you're a complete beginner with limited experience and resources, SaleHoo can be a valuable investment. The supplier directory, market research tools, and training resources can help you get started quickly and avoid costly mistakes. However, if you're an experienced seller with established supplier relationships and a strong understanding of the market, you might not find as much value in the service. You might already have access to similar resources and tools. It's essential to weigh the cost against the potential benefits and determine whether it aligns with your budget and business goals. One of the biggest concerns I hear is about the competition. If everyone is using SaleHoo, won't the market become saturated? This is a valid concern. However, it's important to remember that SaleHoo is just a tool. It provides access to resources, but it doesn't guarantee success. Ultimately, your success depends on your ability to differentiate yourself from the competition. You need to find unique products, develop a strong brand, and provide excellent customer service. Don't rely solely on SaleHoo to give you a competitive edge. Use it as a foundation, but build your own unique strategy. Let's talk about alternatives. There are other supplier directories and market research tools available online. Some are free while others are paid. It's worth exploring these alternatives before committing to SaleHoo. Consider factors like price, features, and user reviews. Don't just assume that SaleHoo is the best option. Do your research and compare different services to find the one that best suits your needs. Remember, the best tool is the one that you actually use and that helps you achieve your goals. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty, the things you might not see in the sales pitch. One of the biggest criticisms leveled at SaleHoo is the quality of some of the suppliers. While they claim to be verified, some users have reported issues with product quality and shipping delays. This highlights the importance of doing your own due diligence, even with verified suppliers. Don't just blindly trust the directory. Contact suppliers directly, ask questions, and request samples. Another point to consider is the level of competition. Because SaleHoo is a popular service, you might find yourself competing with other sellers who are sourcing from the same suppliers. This means you need to be creative and find ways to differentiate yourself. This could involve finding unique products, building a strong brand, or providing exceptional customer service. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.